Hey everybody, welcome to Stock Market Jimmy. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys, and sorry I'm not showing my face right now. I hurt my ankle, sprained my ankle. I have a little fracture in it, so I've got a swollen ankle. I haven't been able to walk on it for 3 days, so anyway, I'm just going to record here at my desk. So this video is if I had to buy only 3 stocks right now in the market, what would be the 3 stocks that I would buy? If I didn't have any positions and I had to buy 3 stocks, what would they be? Okay, that's today's episode. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. Now this is live right now. The market is 3:30 in the afternoon, so the market is still open right now. So if I had to buy 3 stocks, I would not buy any of these. I would not buy that. I would not buy that. I think you could probably make some money on this one, but it's not something that I would buy right now. I mean, you could, but it's not my top 3. Definitely not on any of these. No. Bitcoin, no. Bitmine, no. Bloom Energy, no. Broadcom, no. Celsius, yes. This is one that I would buy. I would definitely buy one of these. This would be one of my top 3 picks right here. If you look at the 1 year, it's a perfect situation. You've got a complete low of 27.66, so you're not that far from the bottom. But you've got some really nice highs of 61. You've got highs of 56. So it's on a downtrend. But as you can see, you see this little move upward from the 27 level all the way up a little bit. So I would definitely say that this one would be one of the 3. Okay. If you look in the last 5 days, it's all over the place. Last month. So it's had a downtrend. It's trying to fight its way back. We'll see what happens with this one. But even if it fails short term, I still like this one. This would be one of the 3 is Celsius, CELH. Okay. Okay, so we need 2 more. No. Circle, no. CleanSpark, no. I like this one. I already gave you guys that one when it was $9, so you should already actually have that one. Cleveland, no. It's a good stock. I like that stock, but no right now. Coinbase, no. CoreWeave, no. This one had a great day. Energy company. Duke has come down a little bit. I always like Duke around the 110 range. Elf Beauty, would this be one of the 3? This one's really close. This one is really close. We'll hold off on that one for now. Okay. So what else we got here? GitLab, no. Hims and Hers. This one is starting to get interesting, guys, because you got a 10% loss today, 9% loss today. This is starting to reach levels that interest me, okay? So this one has a lot of potential, but I'm going to shy away from it right now. We need 2 more still. Meta, 611, it's getting really close. This one would definitely be a buy, but okay, MP Materials. I actually bought this one today. I actually bought that one today. NU is at 12.15. I like that one a lot. I'm going to go, okay, now here's one that I like right here. Okay, this OKLO. Okay, I like this one for a comeback. Let me share with you why. Okay, look at that chart. So if you look at a 1 year, it's a range of 34.88 to 193. Okay, So this one here has a lot of potential. And if you look at the last month, this is what interests me right here. If you look at this, you had a $78 stock and it's dropped all the way to 58 because they lost a certain amount of money. They claimed that they were going to lose 33 million, and I guess they ended up losing, or I'm sorry, they claimed that they were going to lose 30 million, and they ended up losing 34 million. So they were $4 million over what they were supposed to lose, and they got absolutely crushed because of that. So those are really good opportunities. So this could be a stock that does rebound well, and you could be the beneficiary. So I'm going to go with number 2 here. That would be my number 2 pick for entries now. And let's see if we can find one more. I would go, okay, I like SoFi here at 1556. I really like that one. So that would not be a bad number 3 right there. That would not be a bad one, is that SoFi. At 1556, I think that's an entry. You might be able to catch it at 1540, but in the long run, that extra 15 cent is not going to mean anything. I'll go with URG right here. Okay, I'll go with URG as my 3rd, or SoFi. Okay, now the difference between this one and SoFi, this one is much more riskier. You had a low of 67 cents and a high of 235. The only reason why that I'm wanting to take a chance on this particular stock is because they're uranium. It's in the nuclear sector, and this is one of those kind that could just end up getting up to that 250 range, where you get a full dollar, which would be basically about 50% for your money. Let's say you invested, 20 grand, you could get a $10,000 profit if it goes to 259, So I kind of like this one. I like this one for just one of those kind of opportunities. So I'm going to put this as number 3, or SoFi. SoFi would be the better option as far as being safe and long term. I think the URG is probably a better option of getting very lucky. You know what I mean? Sometimes luck is a part of the game. You know what I mean? Now, let's see how TGB is doing today. TGB is a nice one as well at 653. So I like that one a lot. This is a copper stock, so it came down almost 5% today. Some of you guys might want to jump on that one. Okay, it's not financial advice. It's just what I would be doing. So quick, short, and simple. Hit that like button for me. If you haven't subscribed to Stock Market Jimmy, please do. Also, join my Discord. I've got a private Discord. You can enter the Discord by going to stockmarketjimmy.com and enter that Discord, become a member, and you get all of my buys and my sells in real time if you're a part of that group. Okay? Thank you guys so much, and you have a wonderful day.